What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. So we back in on the t-shirt campaign. Today what we got a t-shirt. Well, let me back up a little bit. If you're interested in joining the t-shirt campaign, you can send your t-shirts over to 888-C 8th Avenue, Suite 225, New York, New York, 10019. Send your t-shirts over there. Pretty much on this t-shirt campaign, I'm promoting t-shirts on a YouTube channel, on my Instagram. I'm looking for t-shirts, up and coming companies, or brands. You don't have to be a company. You could be doing it in your spare time. You're just trying to get some awareness. You're just trying to get some exposure. This is what I'm doing on the YouTube channel, my Instagram, everywhere. So, like I said, I don't know none of these people. I'm just reaching out. I'm buying it with my own money. None of these videos are sponsored. They're not sending items over for free. None of that. So this is out of my own pocket. I'm just paying it forward pretty much. So if you're interested, rewind that back a couple of seconds and get that address. Send your t-shirts over, your apparel, your hats, whatever you got going on, and we're going to promote it on the channel. Just like that. You don't have to send no money, no nothing like that. That's not what it's about. Just send your stuff over and we're going to promote it on the channel. But as of now, I'm scrolling through. I'm looking for up-and-coming brands. It's a million of them out there. T-shirts, $1 billion business. So I'm just helping promote it as best as I can. So that's what we're doing on this t-shirt campaign. Everybody coming back to the channel, appreciate you watching. Anybody new to the channel, pretty much on this channel, the Tech and Lifestyle channel, we review tech products, apparel, t-shirts, clothing, anything tech and lifestyle, we putting it on the channel. That's it, pretty much. Raw and uncut, no filter, no B-rolls, none of that. Everything straight live. We going through. Mistakes happen, whatever. We just pushing right through it. So, now you got the gist of what we do over here. Let's get into it. So up today, what we got a t-shirt from the Independent Hustle Clothing Company. So this is their website right here. I was just scrolling through. I like their message. So that's their website right there, IndependentHustleClothing.com. So let's scroll through their website, see what they got. Independent T-shirt Hustle Royalty Collection. Let's scroll on that. Let's just go through their website, see what they working with. Independent Hustle, $24.99. I guess that's the royalty collection, the black and gold theme. Feeling that. This red shirt right here, feeling that. It's pretty hot. I hope y'all can see that. Create, inspire, empower. I know that's part of their mission statement also. I like that. The F-It t-shirt, not bad. Health and hustle. Good to be promoting that health. They got the hustle flag, black tee with white logo for men, pink for women. Independent Hustle. Independent Hustle Classic Black Tee, $20. Their prices are pretty reasonable. Check them out. Let's see what else they got. They got a sale right now going on, Independent Hustle Tee, $20. Black and white, $20. Red and black, $20. They got a special, buy a shirt, take a selfie, post us on IG and tag us. Hashtag Independent Hustle. If you want to support them on your IG, at Independent Hustle Clothing on the Instagram. Check them out, follow them. That's somebody rocking a t-shirt right there. New arrivals, positive vibes only. I'm feeling that. They got the crown. They got the Biggie joint. This is one that I need in the collection. I'm going to be copping this next. They got the Think Big, $20. You can't go wrong with that. Think Big in blue, Think Big in red, black with the gold. And it's independent hustle, create, inspire, and empower. Simple and plain. They got a good message going. People rocking the shirts. And independent hustle. And their mission statement pretty much is a clothing line that supports, promotes, inspires, and empowers people to be successful and become their own boss. You can't be mad at that. So check them out. We're going to get right into this shirt real quick. Actually, let's go into their Instagram page. That's their Instagram page. They got 4,000 followers. Create, inspire, empower, the brand that represents you and your hustle. They got collections out. They got people rocking all the brands. The Level Up t-shirts. That's the Instagram page. They got a little backpack right here. They got a collection. That's pretty tight. Can't beat that. I was scrolling through this one. This one is kind of hot too. You know, real friends will tell you that you can't rap. That's pretty tight. What else we got here? That's pretty much the Instagram page. They got the Level Up joint. Decent. And they got hats. They got bags. What else we got? What else we got? That's pretty much it. Go check out their website. The hoodies. This hoodie was tight. I like the different color schemes on that hoodie. That's hot. And we're gonna leave on that. That's their motto. Create, inspire, empower. Alright, let's get into the shirt that I caught. Support it. You know, supporting the companies on this t-shirt campaign. So I got the red joint. Red is my favorite color. Whatever. It is what it is. That's what I do. I love red. It's a power color. And you know, it just stands out. So I got the independent hustle joint. I'm feeling that. Like I said, all of these joints I'm gonna be rocking myself. You know, this is my size. I'm just out here supporting the t-shirt companies. You know what I'm saying? It's a void for that. And what's going on? Everybody doing for self. I'm just here trying to pay it forward. I got my own line too, but I'm out here just supporting these brands. Like I said, all of this out of my own pocket. No sponsors. We just rocking like that. I think this t-shirt was about $20 at most. Go support them, man. Go get a t-shirt, go get a hat, go get a bag, go get something. Just support the companies. That's it. You know, because they moving, they out here hustling. Independent hustle. I like the branding, I like the theme, I like the message. Create, inspire, and empower. I'm feeling that. That's what drew me to the company, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna cop something from here. So they got the independent hustle on the front. They got the little branding, their little hat, their little tag on the side right here on the bottom, by the waist. You know, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Red t-shirt, they see you coming from deep, and you show them that you supporting, and you on the independent hustle. You know, you're pretty much doing your own thing, whatever you out here doing. Selling t-shirts, selling apparel, you just hustling. Everybody out here hustling, doing something. I'm feeling that. Independent hustle, independenthustle.com, independenthustleclothing.com. Let me get that right. Go out there, support them. You know, show your love, and go cop something. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Go support those. Go support that company. Go get something from them. And 3 things in life you got to remember. I always say it at the end of every video. You got to trust God, love family, stay focused. Until the next video, y'all, stay focused.